Good morning, students. So let us see principal focus. How to what is principal focus? That is the concept related to the lens. Now, so first you are supposed to draw the lens. Let us learn how to draw a convex lens. So this is the principal axis. The term we have already studied. Okay, suppose this is the principal axis. Now, for drawing, take any distance on your compass and draw a curve like this, and from the other side with the same distance draw another curve, and whatever the additional arcs are there, erase them. Okay, so you get the convex lens. Draw the vertical axis. So this is the optical center. We have already studied. Now, after that, what you do? Take certain distance. Now we are not related what distance, by what distance we have drawn these arcs. We are going to take a certain distance on this scale, whatever it may be. Okay, this is not related to the radius of this at all. Okay, so suppose I am taking here 5. So I am marking 2 points here. Okay, so this is F1 and this is F2. And at the same distance, which from F1 at distance 5, I will have 2 F1, and from F2 at a distance 5, I will have 2 F2. Okay, I am pointing this first only. Now we are studying principal focus, that is rays of light parallel to the principal axis, and when they are incident on the convex lens, after refraction they meet each other at a point on the other side of the lens. Okay, so rays of light parallel to the principal axis, after refraction they meet each other at a point. Okay, so you can see this, right? So rays of light parallel to the principal axis, after refraction meet each other at a point on the other side. That point is called as the principal focus. Okay, so for convex lens there are two principal foci, F1 and F2. Okay, now see students, in book they have not shown this vertical axis, but that helps because refraction of light should be shown from this point only. Don't show from this surface at all. Okay, so refraction has to be shown from this, and in book you will hardly find this vertical axis. Secondly, the advantage of vertical axis is you get exact optical center. Okay, so please draw the vertical axis whenever you are drawing the ray diagrams. Okay, so this particular point is called as the principal focus, and the distance between the principal focus and the optical center is called as the focal length. Okay, what it is called as? It is called as the focal length. It is denoted by small f. Okay, and now we will see for concave lens. Let us see for concave lens. So first we will learn how to draw concave lens. One more thing here, all the rays of light you might have seen, they meet each other at a point. So they converge, and hence convex lens is also called as converging lens. Convex lens is also called as converging lens because rays of light parallel to principal axis, when they are made incident on the convex lens, after refraction of light meet each other at a point, and hence it is called as the converging lens. Okay. Now let us go for concave lens. We will find the principal focus of concave lens. Students, you need to practice these figures, okay, and that is most important. Now see, again take compass. So see how I am drawing now. Just like last time, take certain distance on your compass and draw an arc, okay. Similarly, now here with the same distance, don't draw this side, now this side, okay, and see that the lens are not thick lens, we are studying thin lens. Don't draw too thick lens, okay, and then so you can get these two curves in this way and draw a horizontal line like this, okay, so you will get a concave lens, okay. Erase the additional arcs, okay. Now again draw the center, optical center, so that means you have to draw the vertical axis, okay. Do you get it? So this is optical center, this is the principal axis. Now secondly, again just like last time, don't bother about what radius you have taken on the compass, forget about that. You take certain distance, okay. So suppose I am taking, now distance has to be taken from optical center, okay. So 5 centimeter I am taking. So this is my F1, this is F2. Again you can have that 2F1 and 2F2. Get that habit of marking them. So this is 2F1, this is F1, F2, and this is 2F2. Okay. Now in case of concave lens, rays of light parallel to the principal axis, rays of light parallel to the principal axis, after refraction move apart from each other and they appear to come from a point on the principal axis on the same side of the lens, okay. So you can see here I have extended this back side, okay, same way. So this is first ray of light, okay. Second, suppose if I have got this second ray of light, if I take this, okay. So see here, keep the scale from F1 and so you need to plot it first. Extend it backwards with dotted lines only, okay. Now, so this is my second. So if you draw in such a way, they will meet each other, appear to meet, they actually do not meet, they appear to meet each other at a point on the same side. That point is called as the principal focus. Now, here you can see rays of light after refraction move apart from each other, means they diverge from each other. Hence, concave lens is also called as diverging lens. Concave lens is also called as diverging lens. Okay, thank you.